today we are continuing with the door panels and basically finishing them up. If you guys saw, of course, I will include the time lapse in the beginning because this is pretty. It looks very nice. Oh man, I can't wait to put it in the car. I feel like it's gonna look very, very good. But next thing we are going to do is actually get rid of a lot of this silver stuff that's on the car. And one thing that I wanted to do for a while is the car don't got no types of carbon, so we got carbon. And basically what I want to do is I want to wrap a bunch of the silver pieces in carbon. So for the instrument cluster area, at least all like the silver stuff, I want to make a solid attempt to try and get that wrapped in just plain black. I got black vinyl wrap over there as well, so I want to try and get that wrapped black and just get it blacked out as much as possible. So that's actually going to be the next step that we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and wrap all this and basically get it looking very nice, very clean. And yeah, I'm going to basically do another time lapse of me just doing this. No need for me to talk over it. But yeah, so I'm going to get this wrapped in carbon. A lot of those silver pieces in carbon. And then we're going to do like this as well, like on the door handles. So all this silver I'm gonna do in black rather than carbon. Carbon I feel like would be a little bit too excessive, at least for this stuff, so we're just gonna do plain black, nothing crazy. But yeah, and then after that I do have this ambient lighting kit that I do want to install in this car, and it's gonna go right where the old trim, or where the trim goes, up here on the door. I feel like it's gonna look very, very, very nice. Alright, so let me put y'all down, let me start the time lapse and get the ball rolling. So I went ahead and I finished putting all four of the door panels back together. All the pieces have been wrapped up in the wonderful carbon fiber in the Cars for Hire. And yeah, it looks real good, real good. A little trim down here. It's been wrapped black, carbon fiber. And then I could not forget the dyno right here. Cannot forget the little details. Wrap that in black to flow with the inside of the car. They're all wrapped black, so it's gonna come out good. Now the next thing that we are going to do, which actually I've been testing out right here, is the ambient lighting kit that I bought a while ago. It's cheap, it's nothing crazy, but I wanted to add ambient lighting to the CC for a while, and this right here under the carbon fiber trim seems like it's so weird to say, under the trim here seems to be like the best place where I would put it. And then just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put the actual light wire, or the fiber optic wire. I was thinking about probably like running it back here and then somewhere in the back of the door panel. But yeah, we about to figure this out, and then I also want to see what it's gonna look like with it, with the light on. So I'm about to turn everything off, close the shades and all that stuff, and see what it looks like. So be right back. Moment of truth. Oh wow, that looks real good. Oh, that will look real good. Just that cut off. Ooh, that'll look real good. I think I might tuck it a little bit more under here, just so that way it adds that little effect to it. Hold on, let me turn it back on. Like that nice subtleness to it. Oh, that looks good. That looks really good. Oh wow, I like that. I like that a lot. All right. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put you guys down while I run all this stuff, and yeah, and then I'll show you guys what I did in order to, well, it's dark now, but I'll show you guys basically what I did in order to get this installed. Alright, so I went ahead and I finished it up. Well, it's dark now, but I finished it up. Oh my god, does it look beautiful, man. Oh, this looks so good, dude. Wow. Yo, that looks crazy, bro. That looks crazy. I like it a lot. I don't know if the camera can pick it up right, but oh my god, yo, I'm telling you, this shit looks good, bro. Oh man, I like it a lot. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. This is my genuine reaction, yo, that's crazy. Yo, this looks good. It looks really good. Oh my god, that is crazy. Okay, let me turn the light on so I can show y'all what I did. Wow, that's crazy. I like this a lot. Oh, wow. Okay. So, I have it connected and lit up just to make sure that everything is good and the light output's good. Surprisingly, the light is pretty good. Yo, for cheap ambient lighting, that's not bad. That's really not bad. That's all 4 doors. I still gotta figure out where I'm gonna put the rest, but damn. Oh, I gotta put this in the car, man. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna wire this shit, but damn, that looks good. And then you got the finished carbon fiber pieces here that are wrapped. And then one thing I decided to do is kind of like split it down the middle, so that way it gives it that little, that cool OEM plus type look. This is facing one side, but it's all wrapped in carbon. The silver is blacked out. This looks good, man. Yeah, oh man, this was a lot of work though. But okay. Anyway, so what I did was, so I had like the tubing ran in here, cut to measure. I had to tighten this down just so that way it can hold. Tucked it in. Some spots are a little loose. I am gonna have to peel this in because I kind of tucked that in there so you can't really see it. But yeah, tucked it in. I have it coming out here, and then it is ran out to the back. Here's the light source. Here's the fiber cable, and then ran out to the wire. Same thing on this. Over here was a little bit more easier on the front doors because we had this little slit right here, so I kind of like just fed it through. There's a light. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can separate this and tuck it in here just so it's a little bit more out of the way. Oh, whoops. So that way it doesn't interfere when putting the door on. And do the same thing over here. This one I had left a little bit more slack. But worst case scenario, I can always use the remainder of the fiber optic thing. And then that is the same as that. So I ran it through on the back, connected it, and yeah. Yeah, no, this thing looks good, dude. This thing looks real good. Oh man, I'm proud of myself for this one. That looks very nice. I'm gonna keep saying it, but holy shit, it looks fucking nice, yo. Oh man, I gotta put this back in the car, but I'm gonna save that for another video. Yep, I'm gonna do that to y'all, because I'm doing it to myself. I'm not putting them on today. I'm tired. I've been working on this all day. I need a break. So, yeah. Yo, I'm telling you, this thing looks so good. If you see this car, it like shows. Let me know what you think, especially for somebody that doesn't know what he's doing, because I've never done this before. Yeah, actually, you know what? I'm gonna show you something that I messed up on, just to show you. It's my first time. This was the very first door panel that I did. The only door panel that is as fucked up as it is. So over here, I didn't realize that the pleather, the fake leather, was taking off the foam, and I didn't realize that the foam actually covered. So I peeled all that, I did this, everything was fine. Then I realized when I put this on to test fit it, there's a big ass gap. So I just took a little bit of extra black fabric and I'm just tucking it in just to hide it. Probably gonna get another new piece or a used piece and then just attempt it again, because it's probably nothing out of junkyard. Plus I already know how to take this apart. And then down here, I don't know if the camera can pick it up well, but there's a lot of glue here and I can't seem to get it off. I'm gonna try, but yeah, since this piece is gonna get replaced, I'm not too worried about it. I can always get more fabric. This shit's cheap as hell. But yeah, so there's this glue residue here, and it's, yeah, there's the gap over there, gap over here. This one's a little messy, or just this piece is really messy. Everything else is okay. Another thing that if you pay really close attention to, there, I also peeled off quite a bit of foam backing. It's fine. I mean, it's fine. Fabric is soft enough, but eventually what I want to do is I want to add foam again, so that way it's nice, soft, and plushy when you touch it. For my first time doing this, I think I didn't do bad. It could be a lot better. Yeah, I will admit it could be a lot better, but I did it myself. It's my first time doing it. First time doing any of this stuff. You guys are watching my very first build, to be honest with you. Like, this is my first build in general. Like, the CC's been the only car I've ever done shit to it. The Passat was second, but the Passat, I don't have that much of a connection to that car compared to what I have with this one. This is the very first car that got me into the scene, introduced me to a whole bunch of people. So the fact that I'm finally adding my touches a little bit more, it's like, yeah. Granted, yeah, I get it's just a car, but it's my fucking car, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Damn, I just can't stop looking at it. That shit looks good. One more time. Y'all gotta look at it one more time. Ooh. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Oh, that's so nice. And then the carbon fibers, it's nice and shiny. Oh, that looks so good, bro. Oh man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Press the notification bell if you want to see this car completed, and if you want to see the next video when these door panels are inside the car and done 100%, how it looks on the inside. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Till then, see you next one.